If you're building apps the same way you did 3 years ago, this video is for you. Because software development is changing and most developers haven't even noticed yet. I'm not talking about any new framework. I'm not talking about any new programming language. I'm talking about a complete shift in how we think about building softwares. Let me show you what I mean. So this is a discount system I built for an e-commerce store 3 years ago. When I built the system, I was feeling proud of myself. You see, because it is handling everything. It is handling the festival sale. It is also checking for the membership. It is also checking for the coupon validations, and the stacking logic is also there. But look at it. Just look at how many if-else conditions are in here. Every decision this app makes, I wrote manually. Every business rule written by me. And this is just one feature. And imagine the kind of code I have written for this project. And the main problem is clients always come back next week or so and ask me to add one more rule, add one more check. And then I go to the code and I find out exactly where to add this new rule, and I write the code there. This happens every week, not only with me, it happens with everyone, every developers, in every company it happens, right? And after a few months, you keep adding new conditions, new rules for a business. And one day this file will become so huge that nobody wants to touch it. You know exactly what I mean. And the biggest problem is we cannot cover every situation in just if-else conditions. The real users will not behave the way you think. That's when your code breaks. Now forget about the code for a second. Imagine you're running a business, you're running a store, you're selling something on your store, and you hire a customer support agent, or you hire a person who can take care of your sales. Do you give him a manual that says, if customer says refund, do this, if customer says cancel, do that? No, never, right? You just tell him, this is our store and this is our products and this is the refund policy, and our goal is to keep the customer happy, and at the end of the day we want the sale, we want to increase the sales, right? This is the only thing that you teach to your employee, right? And remaining things, everything will be handled by himself. He will apply his experience, he will apply his judgment, and he will handle the customers, and end of the day he will get more sales while keeping the customers happy. So that is human. The way we were writing the code before, if this then do that, if that then do this, is not the right way anymore. Now what if I tell you your software can also work the same way as this guy that you hired? That is agentic AI. Now for the discount coupon, if else is fine, because the input is predictable. The customer is coming to your checkout page and he is writing the coupon, and we can programmatically handle it. But imagine if the customer is chatting with you and he is writing something in his own hands. You don't have any control, right? So can you write if else conditions there? Now for example, in a chat support or a tech support team, right? So your customer is coming to your chat box and writing something, asking something to you, right? If you had to automate it using your code, what you would say? You would first take the message and programmatically detect the words. If there is refund, then you would do this, and if there is cancel, then you would detect and do something else, right? But what if your customer is typing something like, भाई मेरा product 2 दिन पहले आया था और ये टूट गया, मुझे मेरा पैसा चाहिए? Can your if conditions detect it? No. Can your code understand it? No. It would probably say, sorry, something went wrong, or I didn't understand, something like that, right? So that is rule-based things, right? That rule-based things are gone. That kind of software development is not the way to go in future, because we are, the software development is shifting right now. And the companies are looking for developers who can build AI-powered systems, not just the old way of if-else conditions everywhere. Because earlier we used to write every decision the app makes. But in new way, the new agentic AI systems, we as a developer define boundary, and the AI makes the decision, and we help AI to make the right decision. I've been coding for years now. Most of the time I was writing rules and calling it a software development. That was not wrong, because we did not have the better way back then. But now we have better way. We have agentic AI way. I'm building a full course on this topic, full stack agentic AI development with Django. completely practical, 100% project-based course. If you're interested in learning the new way of software development using agentic AI, just drop a comment on this video, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel so that you get more such content. This is just a beginning. I'll see you in the next one.